Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Stellar from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you make secure transfers effortlessly. Whether you're building your portfolio or just moving assets, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase app or website and the Trust Wallet app installed and updated. In 2025, security is key, so always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Open your Coinbase account and log in. Navigate to your dashboard and find the Stellar XLM wallet. If you don't see it, search for Stellar in your asset list. It's usually straightforward. Step 2. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Go to the Stellar section. Trust Wallet supports a wide range of networks, so ensure it's set to the Stellar network. Tap on Receive to generate and copy your Stellar wallet address. Double-check this address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, and one wrong character could send your coins astray. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, select your Stellar balance and choose the Send option. Paste the wallet address from Trust Wallet into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which might be around 0.00001 XLM in 2025. Always check current rates. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Coinbase will show you a summary, including estimated arrival time and fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transfer with your security settings. Once sent, the transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Trust Wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on it using blockchain explorers like Stellar's official one. A quick tip. In 2025, with new regulations, always use the correct network. Stellar is its own blockchain, so avoid any mix-ups with Ethereum or others. And never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. You've just successfully transferred Stellar from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe in the crypto space. See you next time.